In this video, I'll show you how to use the interactive Join Conversation feature in NotebookLM to chat with your AI hosts. Let's get started. I'm starting on the NotebookLM homepage and scrolling down through my recent notebooks to open my research and synthesis guide. Once inside the workspace, I head over to the Studio panel on the right side and click the Customize icon on the audio overview. Here, I can adjust the format to a deep dive or a brief, change the length, and give the AI host specific instructions on what to focus on during their discussion. I'll close the settings for now and open my existing audio overview. You'll notice a Join button has appeared in the player, which allows me to enter an interactive mode and talk directly to the AI hosts while they're discussing my sources. Essentially, NotebookLM is a specialized AI research assistant that uses your uploaded documents to provide summaries, citations, and interactive chat features. As the hosts begin their deep dive, I can jump in at any time to guide the conversation. I'll ask them to tell me more about what NotebookLM actually is. The AI hosts immediately respond to my voice, shifting their discussion to provide a clear explanation of how the platform works. I'll then follow up by asking about the specific features available. The Join Conversation feature allows you to speak directly to the AI hosts to guide their analysis. They respond in real time, pivoting their discussion to answer your specific questions about your sources. It's a powerful way to brainstorm and get instant insights without having to read through every page manually. I can keep the conversation going to explore any part of my research in a natural, spoken format. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.